It's time for another round of Guess That Line. Remember, today you're going to try to guess that line, but remember to look, think before you release. Ready? Guess that line. Think about it. Hang on. Hands up. 3, 2, 1. Release. It was a loopy line. Nice work. Here's your next line. Guess this line. Think about it. Hands up. 3, 2, 1. It was a scalloped line. Here's your next one. Guess that line. Hand up. 3, 2, 1. Release. It was a vertical line. Guess this line. Hand up. 3, 2, 1. Release. It was a curvy line. Guess this line. 3, 2, 1. It was a dashed line. Today, you need to finish your cloud texture. You've got a big job. Remember to rip up little pieces of paper and cover all of the clouds. I know in my picture I don't have the entire cloud covered, but your job is both clouds, the whole thing. Make sure you get the top of the cloud, the bottom of the cloud, and you don't forget about the middle of the cloud. Make sure you overlap your papers and cover up the whole entire thing. When you're done, recycle your cloud scraps and put your rainbow in the folder. It's time to reflect. You need to go to the front of the room and grab your yellow reflecting paper and write your name on it. Remember to write your class too. Use the project words to help you fill in the blanks and write the words that you might not know how to spell. My piece of art shows a rainbow, so I will use that word to help me fill in my rainbow. To make this project, I learned about lines. The next answer is a little trickier because it needs to be the lines that show up in your art. You can use your line book to help you if you don't know some of the words or how to spell them. I noticed that in my rainbow I have some spirals, so I'm going to use the word in my book to help me write it. Write all the names of your lines, as many as you can, on the 4 lines on your paper. Then you need to write about the materials that you used. You can use the words up top to help you spell. To make my rainbow, I used paint, I used paper, and I used scissors. Then I'm going to remember to turn over my paper to the back. The back, I can't use a word wall. I have to do my best. I have to think about my favorite thing about my art and something that was hard or tricky for me. I'm going to say my zigzags were hard. You might have a different answer than I do. Think back to your classes. What was easy and what was hard for you? When you're done, put your papers and your rainbow inside of your folder so they stay safe for next time. And make sure you recycle any of your scraps. You may free draw or read a book if you are done with all of your work. But don't forget, put first things first and get your reflection paper done before you free draw or read a book.